Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a fresh take on retro audio gear. Philips, a brand known for its innovative audio products, has just dropped a new color for its iconic The Ringo headphones. But this isn't just a simple palette swap. It's a blast from the past with a modern twist. You see, last year, Philips introduced the Ringo, a pair of on-ear headphones with a retro design and modern features. It was a cool release, offering a nostalgic vibe with 3 classic color options. But now, they're bringing back the 80s with a vibrant, eye-catching yellow version, dubbed the Ringo Duo. This new colorway is part of Philips' revival of its moving sound collection from the 1980s, and it's a bold statement. What's fascinating about this release is the attention to detail. The Ringo Duo features a silver headband, black earcups, and a unique touch of mint green buttons, all connected by a neon pink wire. It's like a colorful time capsule from the 80s. Personally, I love when brands embrace their heritage while adding a contemporary spin. It's a delicate balance, but Philips has nailed it. In terms of specs, the Ringo Duo stays true to its predecessor. It packs powerful 40mm drivers, Bluetooth 5.4 with multipoint support, and an impressive 26-hour battery life with fast charging. These features are essential for modern listeners, ensuring a seamless wireless experience. Plus, the dedicated microphone and noise reduction algorithm make it a solid choice for calls and noise cancellation. One detail I find intriguing is the Philips Headphones app. It allows users to customize their audio experience, from tuning the headphones to activating dynamic boost. This level of personalization is a game changer, especially for audiophiles. It's like having a mini sound engineer in your pocket. Now, if you're eager to get your hands on these retro chic headphones, you have options. The Ringo Duo will hit the shelves in Q2 2026, priced at €35. But here's the kicker. If you're feeling impatient, you can snag the original The Ringo at a discounted price of €25.05 on Amazon.de. It's a great deal for those who want the retro style without the wait. In my opinion, this move by Philips is a clever way to cater to different audiences. By offering a new color and a discounted original version, they're appealing to both retro enthusiasts and budget-conscious buyers. It's a win-win strategy that keeps the brand relevant and exciting. So, what does this release say about the audio market? Well, it suggests that retro-inspired designs are here to stay. Consumers crave a blend of nostalgia and innovation, and brands like Philips are delivering. It's a trend that adds a unique flavor to the market, making audio gear more than just functional. It's a fashion statement and a trip down memory lane. As we wrap up, I'm left wondering what other classic audio brands might do to revive their heritage. Could we see more 80s-inspired releases? Only time will tell. But for now, Philips has certainly caught our attention with this colorful, retro-chic headphone release. Stay tuned for more tech insights, and keep embracing the past with a modern twist.